Okay children, now let's move to the other interesting exercise. But see here picture, here most of the pictures you already know. We have seen it already, isn't it? Okay, let's see what is the first picture is. This is fox. Yes, very good. F sound. You have to try this. Okay, again I'm telling, then there is a no use of you are doing this activity. You have to try it out. Yes, O sound. Fox. Very good. X sound. Okay, let's try this. What is this? This is tub. Very good. Not yay. That is if you means yay. It's like a yay. You means it's the correct word. B. Very good. Very nice. What is this? This is mop. Very good. M O P. Mop. Very nice. Okay, let's see this this one. What is this? This is zip. Okay, Z. Yeah, yes, you are told this correctly. Z. And this is Z. Yes, E sound getting, so we have to put I. P. Very nice. Okay, then this is pig. P. Yes, P. Yes, counting. E. So we have to put I. Ig. We have to put G. And what is this? This is cap. Very good. Yes, cap, not cup. This is not cup. This is a cap. We have to put A. Very good. This is here. Very good. P. Cap. Okay. Now we are getting a lot of words here. Yes, you yourself are spelling, and you are also you are able to reading the letters, and you are able to writing the letters using this phonetic pronunciation. Yes, the phonetic sound help you to read and write your letters, isn't it?